Hello there, superstars! Welcome to another exciting literacy lesson. This is a beautiful weather, isn't it? Yes, it is. Do you remember the vowels? I bet you do. Let's play a game to learn about the short vowel sounds in this video. We will recite the alphabet and point out which letter is a vowel. Are you ready? Okay! The letters of the alphabet are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Hooray! We found our vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Great! Short vowels are vowel sounds that are said in a short way. Now, friends, let's sound the vowels and give examples of each, starting with A. In saying the short vowel A, the jaw is dropped and the mouth is opened wide. Can we say it together? A. A. Ah, good job! We can find this short A sound in words like fan, man, ran, sat, clap, jam, sad, and many more. Next is the short vowel E. The short vowel E is pronounced E. We can find the short E sound in words like bed, net, egg, leg, step, shell, and many more. Next, we have the short vowel sound E. Some words with the short E sounds are kid, bean, drink, beeb, six, twig, and many more. Moving on, we have the short vowel sound O. This sound is formed by dropping the jaw and placing the tongue low and flat in the mouth. Words with this sound are pot, dot, jog, fog, hot, doll. Finally, friends, we have the short vowel sound R. We can find it in words like sun, bun, rub, jug, hug, not, and many more. That was interesting, friends. Now, let's carry out another fun game. Can you give me an example for each of these short vowel sounds?
A, like in mat. E, as in wet. E, like in pit. O, as in dog. A, like in cat.
Well done, superstars! It is always an exciting time with you, my friends. Knowing these short vowel sounds help us in reading words as well as in our speech. I promise to see you again with another exciting lesson. Until then, practice reading words using the short vowel sounds we just learned. Bye for now!